Karen Burchill here. It's time for Try It Tuesday number 2. And I have my prompt sticks all ready to go. So I'm going to pull out one stick for each color and category. And then your task, should you accept it, is to build a page or an ATZ or a canvas following the prompts that are given. You can add other things to your page to finish it out as you see fit. And if you don't have a certain product, make a substitution or just omit that particular category stick for that time. So without any hesitation, I'm just going to move these aside. And red is the paint or ink medium, basically the main part of our color that we're going to go on. And I have Liquitex acrylics. So for myself, because I have a Liquitex, I will be using those acrylics, which will give you some different qualities. If you do not have these acrylics, use whatever kind of acrylics you have and make it work. Purple is applying texture to the page, and we're going to use some scraps. So anything, little pieces that you have, old tissue paper, anything, little pieces, that is going to add some texture onto our pages. Green is pattern, and it says doodle borders. Okay, I am not a doodler, so that will be interesting for me. Blue is color and or theme. So it may direct us to a color scheme or a theme. The first one was on ocean themes. So this one, okay, start with an inspirational quote. So I definitely will be going to Pinterest and checking out that. And if you want to follow me on Pinterest, I have several boards that have just inspirational quotes on them if you want to take a peek at what I have. Orange are kind of techniques that we are going to use, and it says leave white space. So we're not going to cover the whole page with color. There's going to be some white spaces. I'm thinking that's going to go well with my doodling borders somehow. Yellow is kind of additional details. It was all those things that didn't really follow in with anything else. And it says outline something. So I'll be sure to do that. So again, the prompts for this week's for Try It Tuesday number 2. Use Liquitex acrylics or any acrylic that you have. Use scraps to make texture. Doodle some borders to make a pattern. Start with an inspirational quote. So the quote is going to determine the theme and the direction. Orange is techniques. Leave some white space, which is, I think, a challenge for most of us. I rarely do. And additional details, outline something. When you've done the challenge, please check out the Facebook group, All Things Mixed Media, CreativeKady. And there will be an album there for you to post and share with everybody else in the group. Bye for now.